So what's up guys, in this video we are going to again make the calculating part with part 2. And guys, just just go to file and click on save as copy and change this to, don't make this episode 2 instead of episode 2 episode 3, make this episode 2 part 2. I'm just gonna write this so it looks better. This, or I just do it this, okay. Or if you want, you can do it episode 3 too, or you can just not make a copy and delete this. But guys, why am I always making a copy like because if you make a mistake in new episode, you can go to your old one and just start from the beginning. You don't need to start from the beginning, but you can start from the episode. That's better, I think. So in the last video we made, so let's write this plus. It scans our numbers and the operators. So you can hide these lists right now because we are not going to use them. And you hide the variables too. Now we need to find the answer to our question. Make a new custom block. Call this calculate answer. Okay, and put the calculate answer in here. So guys, the first thing we want to do is we need set index to 0. Oh guys, set index to 2. 2. Then set letter to blank. And then you want to make a new variable. Call this what should we call it? Call this one answer. Let's just call it answer for the sprite or for all sprites. So set answer to in here item one of numbers. And then guys, make a new variable, call this operator for this sprite only. So set operator to in here. Let's just do that later. And we need another variable, call this operator num. Num stands for number for the sprite only. So in here set operator number to 1. And guys, so put here a repeat length of question. Well, let's do length of numbers. So set operator to item operator number of numbers. So, and let's put a wait 1 second. And if we now say 6 plus 6 minus 3, so the operator should first set to plus and then minus. Let's check it. Why is it not working? Oh, sorry guys. Instead of numbers, do operators. And now if we ask like 6 plus 6 minus 3. So it should first set plus and then minus. Let's check. Plus. And then. Oh god. It didn't work because we didn't put a change operator num by 1. Yeah, we need to put the 2. And now let's try it. 6 plus 6 minus 3 sets to plus and then minus. Yeah, it worked. So we can take this one, wait 1 second, and then put an if, then in here put an equals, then operator equals plus, then set answer to answer plus number, letter, plus letter. And then in here we need to put a set letter to letter or item index of numbers. And in here change index by 1. Yeah, so if we enter 1 plus 1, our answer sets to 1. But what? Wait, why? Why is it not working? Well, why is this not working? What did I do wrong? Wait. Guys, I don't know, but let's just put a wait 1 second. And let's look what's wrong. 1 plus 1 plus 1. The operator sets to. Oh, guys, I know. Because we did length of numbers, and when the operator number changed to 2, yep. So we can just do go here and change this operator num to a, but that won't work too. Just put an if, or don't put it. I'm so sorry. I did set letter to item letter of numbers. You need to change to index. Guys, I'm so sorry. 1 plus 1. Yeah, answer sets to 2. Good. And let's try 10 plus 10 plus 90. So that is 110. And answer is 110. And you can take this one, wait 1 second, guys. So it works, but let's try minus 10 plus 10. It should set to 0, but it didn't work. But guys, don't worry, it didn't work because we haven't added minus yet. When we add a minus, it will work. So let's add, it's not called division, what's called? I don't know. So subtraction. Okay, let's add subtraction, so minus. Change this to answer minus letter, and we get it. Minus is here too, so let's try 5 minus 5. Answer sets to 0. So let's try minus 10 plus 10. It should set to 0. Let's check it. Yeah, answer is 0. And let's now try 10 plus minus 10. That is 0. And it's 0. So now let's try 90 plus minus 10. That should set to 80. Oh, it's set to 70. Why? Wait. Did I accidentally write 20 minus 20? Let's try it again. 90 plus minus 10. It says to 80. I accidentally wrote it minus 20. Okay, let's add multiplication. Change this to multiply by, and we're done. And with division, do the same thing. Just change this to divided by, and can do that too. Let's try it. Let's do 1 plus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 multiplied by 2. So that is 2, I meant 2, divided by 1. That, or let's just do divided by 2. That the answers to this should be 1, and answer says to 1. Okay, but if the player always needs to look at this answer, it will be kind of boring. Let's make it that the cat says the answer. So we can just leave this script, and after calculate answer, we are going to put say answer. Put the say answer in here, and in here put a say answer. Oh no, guys. Join, and take another join, and then we need the answer. Put it in here, and we need the question. Put the question in here, and let's add the equals in here. And guys, let's make that in 4 to 2 seconds. Changes how long the length of our question is. So we need the question, then our length of, and take it divided by 2, and then round, put it on the round. So it should, so like if we put 1 plus 1, our length of our question is 3. 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5. Round 1.5 equals 2. So it should wait for 2 seconds if we ask 1 plus 1. That's very easy. And after, go to our math script and put, and yeah, let's just try this first, and we'll do the thing later. I'm gonna clean up blocks real quick. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, so 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 equals 80. Okay, now 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 900 and... Wait, let's just do... 673 plus 689 multiplied by 984 thousand and 888. Okay, I don't know what the answer to this is, and that's divided by 3. So I don't know what this is. Yeah. If you guys don't like how long it says the answer, just do 3 seconds or something. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 seconds, but you can yeah, feel free to play with this value in here. Yeah, and now, yeah, but guys, every time you want to ask a new question, you need to click the green flag, and it's yeah. So let's just go to the stage and take this one green flag, click here, and put a game/start broadcast in here. Change it so when I receive game/start, and click on new message. Call this game dash. I think I said slash some seconds ago, but I meant dash, guys. I meant slash dash calculate AI. Let's just call this AI games dash AI. And guys, so go to the AI and change this when I receive game/start to a when I receive game/AI. And after all of this, you can put a one broadcast game/start. Yeah, so let's ask something. 5 plus 5, it says 10. And then, yeah, we start from the beginning. We can ask another question. So that was it for this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.